Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineered. Today we are discussing about this particular example of airport engineering. So the question says the veering of the first end of straight runway is 90 degree. Find the number of first runway number of first end. So the veering of the first end. So let's create a reference axis. So if this is the reference axis, then maybe the first end maybe somewhere around here. Let's say somewhere around here, right? So this is first end, okay, because the veering of this is 90 degree. So the next end has to be in the difference of 180 degree, right? Because it has to be the straight runway, right? So let's project it backward. This should be the second end, right? So we have the orientation of the runway. It's like this. So now let's draw a runway and the center line itself. So this is the center line, okay. Now what is the designation, what is the number of numbering in, what is the number in first end and what is the number in second end? So while writing the designation of first end, while writing the number of first end, we should consider the reference axis here and the bearing of this reference axis here and then bearing of this. So to calculate this bearing of this line, bearing of this, okay, the bearing of this while putting the reference axis here. So the bearing of this is, the second end is 270 degree, right? So this is the numbering of 270. So 270 bearing is divided by 10 to get the numbering. It's 10. Okay, sorry, 27. Sorry, it's 27. So this is the numbering of this end. Similarly, for the second end, let's draw a runway here and then center line. Okay. Then for the second end, this is second end, right? This is first end. So we already know the first end. This is 27. And for the second end, the reference axis is taken here, and then the bearing of the next end is taken. Bearing of this end is taken. So what is the bearing? The bearing is 90 degree, right? So the numbering here should be 09, because 09, 0 and 9, because we should divide the 90 degree bearing by 10. So the numbering of this second end is 9. So let's draw final figure. Final figure is like this. Okay, this is 27 and this is 0 and 9. So their difference has to be 18 degree, right? So our answer is for first end. The first end is 27. So our answer is 27. Thank you for watching.